Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to drop a pin on Google Maps. Whether you're saving a location, sharing coordinates with a friend, or planning a trip, knowing how to drop a pin is an essential skill that makes navigating and organizing places much easier. First, open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to the Google Maps homepage where you can start exploring and marking locations. Make sure you're signed into your Google account if you want to save these pins for later, though it's not strictly necessary for just dropping a pin. Now, here's where it gets interesting. To drop a pin, simply click anywhere on the map. You can click on a random road, an empty area, or any spot that catches your attention. When you do this, you'll notice a gray pin appears at that exact location. This gray pin indicates a general area without specific details attached to it, perfect for marking approximate locations or spots that don't have an official address. Once you've dropped that gray pin, look towards the bottom of your screen. You'll see a small panel pop up displaying details about that location. This includes the approximate address if one is available, and most importantly, the longitude and latitude coordinates of that exact spot. These coordinates are incredibly useful if you need to share precise location data with someone, or if you're working with GPS systems that require exact coordinates. Now, if you want more detailed information, you can drop a red pin instead. To do this, click directly on a specific place or business on the map. This could be a restaurant, a park, a building, or any established location. When you click on a specific place like this, a red pin will drop on that spot. The difference here is significant because red pins are associated with verified locations that have detailed information attached to them. After dropping the red pin, shift your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a detailed panel appear with comprehensive information about that place. This typically includes the name of the location, the full address, business hours if applicable, user reviews and ratings, photos, and sometimes even a menu or additional details depending on what type of place it is. This level of detail makes red pins particularly useful when you're researching destinations or planning visits to specific businesses. And that's it. You now know how to drop both gray and red pins on Google Maps, giving you complete control over marking and exploring locations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.